How does one of the largest MRO suppliers in the US continue to lead the industrial sector? Grainger is redefining industrial supply through innovation and sustainability. In this video, we'll explore GWW Grainger Inc. and its pivotal role in the industrial supply market. We will start with Grainger's history and mission, followed by a look at its financial strength, leadership, and growth potential. We'll then highlight the company's commitment to sustainability, its industry-leading products, and competitive position. Finally, we'll wrap up with key risks and innovations that could shape Grainger's future in the MRO sector. Founded in 1927, Grainger is a leading distributor of industrial maintenance, repair, and operating MRO products, providing essential supplies to businesses globally. Mission: Grainger's mission is to be the leading distributor of MRO products by providing the highest quality solutions for its customers. Vision: the company envisions becoming the most trusted partner for businesses worldwide, driving sustainable growth and operational excellence. Grainger generated $14.6 billion in revenue in 2023, with a market cap of $37.5 billion. Its strong financials reflect a history of stability and profitability. Under the leadership of CEO D.G. McPherson, Grainger has solidified its place as an industry leader in MRO distribution. Grainger continues to expand globally, tapping into new markets while introducing innovative digital tools and MRO solutions. Grainger is committed to reducing its environmental impact through renewable energy projects, sustainable product sourcing, and waste reduction efforts. Grainger's flagship products include industrial tools, HVAC systems, safety equipment, and a wide range of MRO supplies that support businesses across various sectors. Grainger is the leading MRO distributor in the US and has a growing presence internationally. The company's strength lies in its extensive product offerings and efficient supply chain. Grainger is highly regarded for its product quality and customer service, providing reliable solutions to businesses worldwide. Investors are optimistic about Grainger's steady growth and its expansion into digital MRO solutions and sustainability initiatives. Grainger's recent press releases emphasize its efforts in sustainability and product innovation. Grainger's growth may be impacted by shifts in demand, raw material costs, and potential trade disruptions. Geopolitical tensions and rising competition in the MRO sector could pose risks to Grainger's market dominance. Grainger's commitment to MRO solutions ensures businesses have the necessary tools to operate efficiently and sustainably. Innovation in supply chain management and digital platforms strengthens Grainger's position in the market. Want to stay ahead of the curve in the world of industrial supply? Subscribe to keep up with Grainger's exciting developments. Why is Grainger one of the best companies to invest in? Its leadership in the MRO sector and commitment to sustainability and innovation make Grainger a strong investment choice.